you're tired of the 9 to 5 grind or looking for a side hustle that doesn't start from scratch, you've probably seen the ads for turnkey e-commerce stores. They promise a shortcut to success. No coding, no design, and no setup needed. Sellers pitch them as a real deal, where you just turn a key and start making money, but are they actually normally worth the price? As before you spend a single pound or dollar, let's go under the hood to see what you're actually getting and what you're definitely not. A turnkey store is a fully built online shop, usually on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. It comes with a domain, a design, and product listings ready to go. Many people buy them for one reason: speed. It helps you skip the weeks or months of technical setup. For a beginner, this head start is appealing because it lets you jump straight into learning how to market. It's also a lower risk way to test a niche, like pet products, without building a full site from the ground up. But here is the catch. Most turnkey stores are empty shells. They look good, but they have no traffic and no proven sales. Many sellers even use the same generic design for dozens of different buyers, making it impossible for you to stand out on Google. Pricing varies wildly. You can find basic stores for $100 on Fiverr, but these are often generic and unproven. On the other side, established stores or marketplaces like Empire Flippers can cost $5,000 to $50,000. Why? Because they have verified income. In 2026, a profitable store typically sells for 24 to 36 times its monthly net profit. So if a store makes $1,000 a month, expect to pay between $24,000 and $36,000. If a seller claims high earnings but can't show you the dashboard or bank statements, walk away. Owning the store is only step one. The real work begins after the purchase. To succeed, you must 1. Launch marketing. You need ads on Facebook, Instagram, or Google to find your audience. 2. Verify suppliers. Test the shipping times yourself so a single bad review doesn't ruin your reputation. 3. Track everything. Use Google Analytics and Shopify reports to see what's actually selling. At Trend Hijacking, we help you reclaim control over your financial destiny. We don't just help you find a store, we perform the deep due diligence to ensure you're acquiring a business with massive growth potential. We help you spot the best deals, verify the systems, and set you up for a profitable exit of 2 to 4 times your initial investment. Don't just buy a website, acquire an asset. Visit our Smart Acquisition Program page today and let's start your journey.